For the first time, Turkey has attacked Pakistan in a way that has shocked the whole world. This great news is being discussed everywhere. Friends, more important news is coming out in this time. So watch this video till end. Also, you are requested to subscribe my channel so that you keep getting new update first. Experts believe that Turkey is attacking Pakistan to please India for a big purpose. Turkey has distanced itself from the Kashmir issue for this time. That is first time. This is a hug victory for India, surprising the world. Turkish President Erdogan did not mention Kashmir while addressing the United Nations General Assembly. This news has caused an earthquake in the Pakistan. The people of Pakistan are seeking an answer from their Prime Minister administration because apart from Pakistan, Turkey was the only country that raised the issue of Kashmir in the United Nations General Assembly every time. But now that Turkey is silent. Why? But this time, Turkey did not even mention Kashmir. This is the same Turkey that opposed the obliteration of special status of Jammu and Kashmir. Since 2019, Turkish President Erdogan has been raised the issue of Kashmir. But now, has he suddenly had a change of heart now? 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022. Every time Erdogan kept shouting Kashmir, Kashmir in the United Nations. But now Turkey has become silent. Let us now tell you why Turkey has started fearing Kashmir. Actually, Erdogan wants to include Turkey in a group of BRICS countries. And for this, India constant is very important. BRICS countries including Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa. There are constant talk about the expansion of BRICS and India is one of the important founding members of the BRICS. There are talk of making BRICS stronger than G7 and G20. That is why Turkey now wants to join BRICS. Turkey knows that if India refuses, it will never be able to join BRICS. That is why Turkey has started making India happy. There are even reports that preparations are being made to remove Turkey from the NATO group. Many Western countries say that Turkey is not worthy of NATO. In such a situation, Turkey is looking for an alternative in BRICS. There are three superpowers of the world in BRICS: India, Russia and China. That is why Turkey wants to join BRICS at any cost. Turkey backed Pakistan to join BRICS by repeatedly raising the issue of Kashmir. Erdogan has probably given up his dream of becoming the caliph of Muslim countries. Turkey has now started to understand that leaving these unless issue the path of economic development and global adjustment should be adopted like India so that Turkey can develop economically and its image can also be made like superpower countries like India, Russia, China, etc. Friend, if you are like my video, like this comment, like this issue, like this statement, then definitely subscribe to the channel and definitely share your opinion on this statement box. Thank you.